Hey guys, my name is Aftab. Today we are learn security perspective in Magento 2. So first one is we are enabling Captcha in Magento 2 because so many people send emails and login attempt and some hackers attack on your admin area and some unnecessary script adds some hackers on your website. So filling a form lots of time. So that type of prevent we are after enabling the capture. So we are just add capture. So going to an admin area and username and password. So guys, nothing here is C capture and anything. So after enabling the capture, you can see here is capture. So enter username and password. So inside left navigation you see store. Click on store and go to configuration, right? And last tab in advanced, right? Click on admin and you see last one is dash capture, right? So this is allow yes, and here is line lilac, but this is font is perfect, not and both of time login and password for forget passwords. We need, I think, both of time because we need a security at a login time and forget password both of time, right? And guys, this is a display mode. After number of attempt login, and you want to some number of attempt unnecessary attempt, you want to add some enter some wrong username or password 3 or 4 times, then display or always display you want to. So firstly we want some number of attempt, right? Three after three attempt, right? Capture refresh after 7 minutes, yes, this is correct. Number of symbols 4 and 5, this is perfect. And symbol used in this alphanumeric, this is also perfect. And we need case sensitive or not sensitive. Suppose you need small word or capital letter, so we need also case sensitive, right? Save this one, right? We are going to customer configuration, right? Next, and here is see the capture, yes, yes, right? And we need a capture for create customer. No need for create customer because we need some customers, more customers. So login, forget, right? Contact us, change password, yes. No need for create customer and checkout as a guest. Register during checkout because we need more customers. So not privilege that type of information in checkout or create customer because we need only login system because hackers attack only login pages and some unnecessary spamming for contact us page, right? So here is allow login attempt, yes. Third, yes, this is all perfect. And case sensitive also, yes. And save this and open a local page, home page, right? And click on sign in. So we are not allow here is see in capture section. This is not allowed always after attempting three of times, right? So we are attempting three attempt here. Username something something and allow this and again is username something something, right? And password and so not correct, right? Introduce something something, right? Password something something and sign in, nothing, right? And again is username something something, password and this. This one, this one. So nothing, 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 and then comes is here is C capture, right? After three attempt is wrong, then comes to captcha, right? Because here is seen that type of condition after attempt, after number of attempts to log in. So guys, attempt is free, right? If you need in always, so you can set the always and click on save, right? And cache refresh, I think yes, because configuration changed, so this is need, right? Because the static block always stores some static content, right? And click on refresh here, and you see this is always comes, right? Login page and create page. Not come create page. What? We are not selecting create page. Oh yes, because in admin panel nothing said create user. If you need this, select this, save, right? And cache or refresh once again, right? And after cache refreshing, we refresh a register page, right? So see this one is, and load this is also perfect, right guys? And see in admin area also, here is also working or not, refreshing. We are I think not enabling in admin area, forget, yes, this is forget comes. So in admin area, I think we are enabling number of attempts after wrong something something, right? And something something, right? And something something, yes. Because we are set in admin area number of attempt, right? So come this capture after some wrong attempt, and we are set here is always. So you can add username and password and captcha with case sensitive, right? Because we are say case sensitive. So we are sign in, okay, and go to store configuration, right? And advance and add, because here is setting in admin setting here, and admin setting is always, right? Save, select and cache refresh, right guys? And log out. And this is always all time zone, right? And click on admin, yes. So this is admin section capture, this is admin section capture, k capital double five, right? Enter sign in. So click on store configuration and advanced admin section. You can set admin area capture here, admin area, yes, admin area, and login and forget password. And you can set here always or number of attempt you want to, all time is available, so you can allow always, and you want to after some attempt, so you can set attempt and number of attempt, enter here. And third one is case sensitive, you want to specific small capital, so you can case sensitive, yes. And customer capture allow from customer section and customer configuration, and going to capture. So this is customer capture allow, yes. And customer create, login, forget, and contact us also allow. So click on contact us, you can see here. And this is also capture here. This is customer area, this is customer section area, right? Contact us page, change password, and click on change password. And you sign in page and forget password. This is also capture comes here, right? So you can set here as a guest also, or you can check out, but not allow for checkout because we need more transactions and more traffic on your site, right? So this is guys for security reason, security aspect in check capture. If you have any query about the enabling capture, so please comments me. And please don't forget for subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.